Technology has unlimited potential, yet so many graduates are struggling to crack jobs. Why? Because the industry has changed. Today, employers are looking for deployment-ready talent, professionals who can work on AI, cloud, data, all emerging technologies from day one. So the real question is, where is this knowledge coming from? Classroom knowledge alone is not enough. What is missing is the practical experience. And that's where a powerful program, Bachelor of Science Computer Science AEDP Apprenticeship-Embedded Degree Program from VVSM and Talent Sprint, part of Accenture, comes in. A powerful partnership between institution and industry. 2 years on-campus learning and 2 years industry-led learning with a focus on employability outcomes.
So this program is approved by UGC. By this combined program with Accenture, the students will be getting benefit of practical experience, not only theoretical knowledge, they will also get benefited by the hands-on experience, real life experience. They'll be working on live projects and the placement help also they'll be getting from the Accenture. One of the unique feature of this course is any student from intermediate, that is either from MPC, CEC or MEC or BIPC can opt this program, can join this program.
The result? Industry-ready graduates with real-world experience, practical skills and a competitive advantage. BScs AEDP from Vishwani Institute of Systems and Management with industry partner Talent Sprint, part of Accenture, where education meets industry, building the next generation of tech talent.